Hello, welcome to this tutorials. My name is Joseph Imlo, and I'm going to show you how to install Windows 7 on a virtual machine in Kali Linux. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to go ahead and download the Windows 7 ISO file first. That's just going to be the first step we're going to take in this tutorials. So you can go to any website, but I'm just going to go to softly.net and download mine. You can Google search it and just download your Windows 7 ISO file. As you can see, I'm going to go to softly.net and do that right now. Just wait for it to load. I'm going to just click it over here. It depends if your Windows, if it's your PC, if it's 64 or 32-bit architecture. Depends. So this is just for Windows XP, and this Windows 7 Ultimate full version 32 or 64-bit. So I've said earlier, it depends if your PC is 64 or 32-bit. That depends on what you're going to download. So as you can see over here, just wait a little. Okay, as you can see over here, this is 32-bit and this is 64-bit. So my architecture is 64, so I'm going to just click download, and you can do the same. Just wait for it to load, and it will just pop up in the download. As you can see, just save it. But already I've downloaded mine already, so I'm not going to do that again. As you can see, Windows 7, I've moved the file. That's why I see file moved. So I'll just kind of show you the folder where I moved mine to. I'm just going to click that and navigate to my application folder where I saved mine. Just double click that, and you can see Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit architecture ISO file. So I'm just after that, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our virtualbox, because that's where we're going to be installing the Windows 7 ISO file. So just going to click down, wait for it to load. So or you're going to just click the new, just double click that over there, and you can name it anything you want, but I'm just going to name my Windows 7. After you just do that, as you can see, Microsoft Windows 64-bit, depend if it's 32, you just change it to 32. So as you can see over here, 64-bit. So that's what I'm gonna leave mine in 64. So just click next over there, and this is just the memory size. You can just leave it. That's for the RAM, 2 gig RAM. If you want to increase it, you can increase it. If you want to leave it that way, you can leave it. Just click next. As you can see, create a virtual hard disk. Just leave it at the default over there. Don't click anything, just create and leave it in virtual box disk image, and just click next, or just leave it in dynamic allocated and just click next. You can see click create. This is just 32 gig. So what we're just gonna do right now is we're done doing that, so we're gonna have to go to the settings. Just click there on the settings. As you can see over here, just check all this and see. You can just check all these settings and see your advanced and all. Just go through all these things and just take a look at it and all. But the most important thing is just wait, just enable 3D acceleration. Make sure you click that, and that's all you need to do. Don't click anything you don't know, and you're gonna this for virtual disk image, but we're gonna be using the empty because we're using ISO file. So just click choose virtual disk and navigate to the folder where you stored your Windows 7 ISO file after downloading it. So this mine, just click it over there and click open, and as you can see over here, just click this, and as you can see Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit, and as you can see it's appearing over here. We are all set. Go to audio. It depends if you want to enable input. That's when you're recording something, network, leave it in NAT, which is network address translation, and you can change it to anything you want, but just I leave mine to NAT. So just leave it over there and check the serial bus. Make sure there's one thing, the USB, make sure it's in USB 1.1 you get, because if you click 2, you see over here showing an error saying just check the error yourself, as you can see, but just leave it in USB 1.1 and make sure everything is all set like that. You can just check this and just have a clue on what it's saying, and just click OK. We are all set. So the next thing, we're going to power on the machine by clicking start. So we're just going to wait, and just know that this thing is going to take a little bit of time. It's not something that you just do in a minute or so. It's going to take a lot of time, just like you're installing. As you can see, Windows is loading files. It's going to take time. Just gonna be patient with us. I'm gonna be pausing the video and be playing it back, so just bear with me. As you can see, starting Windows. So as you can see the cursor over here, as you can see, there are a lot of pop-ups around, and just check your navigate over there and see. Okay, as you can see, the Windows it's loading up like the way you normally install. As you can see, Windows 7, you leave it in English depending on your country. I don't know, you just click next and you click install and wait for it to load. Just wait. As you can see, setup is 13. As you can see over here, Windows 7, it's running in your VirtualBox. So just wait for it to load. Just gotta be very patient with this because this takes a lot of time, trust me, and you gotta be very patient. So Windows is still running, and as you can see, my Metrospolate, it's kind of powered off, and my Windows 7 is running. So just say you have to click the accept for the license and just click next. And this, you see, upgradable, customize, depending, that's where you want to install your Windows 7 on. You understand, like the hard disk, the partition that's been created, the virtual partition that's been created, you can just click the help me decide, but just click on costume over here. It's kind of the best for you to do. Understand? As you can see, you can read through all these things and get a clue on what it's all saying, just for your own sake. But the best you're going to do is just to click on the custom, and as you can see, this is the disk that we're going to use, 32, the one we created earlier. So we're just gonna click next, and it's gonna start loading. Just to wait. You gotta be very, very patient with this takes time, just the way I've said earlier. Just be very patient. As you can see, install Windows, copying Windows files. Trust me, this is gonna take a lot of time before this loads. As you can see, it's still running, and before this thing moves from 0% to 100, it's gonna take a lot of time, so just be patient. As you can see, I'll pause the videos on time and just say copying Windows files is successful, expanding Windows files 0%. Before you know it, will move to installing features, installing updates, and completing installation. It's a step-by-step process. Just gonna be patient and just keep watching, and just as you can see over this, just trying to pause the video because this thing is kind of taking a lot of time. I don't know, it depends. Sometimes some systems are kind of faster, but still it takes time, maybe 30 minutes or even 30 minutes up to you can even spend up to an hour or so. Just be patient. So I'm just gonna pause my video for now, and just so that it will load, and when it's complete in 100 we'll come back to the video. So just be patient. As you can see, it's already 1%, and before this thing loads, it's gonna just take a lot of time. So one thing you need to know, installing this VirtualBox is kind of good. It's kind of way good. You don't have to like have two systems. You can just have one single PC and kind of multiple OS on it. You can even install Windows 10, Windows 7, 8, and so on. You can even install your Linux on a virtual machine. As you can see, the Windows 7 is still running. Though I kind of prefer using my Linux as my primary OS. Trust me, it's kind of frustrating sometimes, but kind of cope with that a lot of time. I'm kind of used to it, and as you can see, it's still loading, installing Windows and completing installation. Just be patient, and everything will work as fine as possible. So just as you can see, Windows needs to restart to continue. It's going to restart multiple times, maybe twice or so. Just click restart now instead of waiting for those seconds to count. Just click restart and it will restart, and just wait for it to pop up and see. As you can see, it's all loading. Just wait a little. Just wait for it to load. Okay. Just be patient with, as you can see, Microsoft Corporation starting Windows. So our Windows 7 is coming up. You can also do for Windows XP, depending on what you want to do, any kind of pen testing you want to do. You definitely need VirtualBox. And if anybody wants videos on how to install VirtualBox, you can just put it in the comment below. I'll make a video on that also. And if there's also any question, anything you want, just try to put in the comment box. You can see you can just navigate through this stuff, the device, the input and all, just to navigate, just see what it's all saying. Just you can go through it. Setup is updating registry settings. So our Windows 7 is loading. So we're just gonna be patient with it. It's gonna take a little bit of time, and time. So just check this file again, machine, view, and you can put it in full screen or whatsoever you want to do. Adjust Windows size and all this for keyboard integration and all, mouse integration and all. Just go through those settings as I've said earlier, and you could learn one or two things from it. As you can see, this is all about the mouse. If as you can see, mouse integration, that's very, very important. You need to kind of know about that. It's very important because if you kind of double click in that, might make your mouse disappear or something. So you need I don't know, but I think mine my Windows 7 is gonna definitely accept the mouse integration. Just wait till you see that. So setup is starting, and Windows 7 is still running. Metrosplorer table is powered off. As you can see, completing installation. Just wait a minute. Still loading. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, ask any question you want, anything you want, I can help you out. And just wait. That's good. It's still loading. It takes time. That's one thing. Sometimes it's frustrating to me, installing, and sometimes I just get to sleep and wake up and see that let me just continue and all that. But patience is all that matters. If you want to go into pen testing, hacking and all, ethical hacking precisely, because I'm not a support of anything malicious, and this video is for educational purpose only. So if you want to go into pen testing and all, trust me. I'm just going to pause this video for now because this thing is just hectic. So we're back. As you can see, the virtual machine reports that the guest OS support mouse pointer integration, just the way I said to you earlier. As you can see, mine supports mouse pointer integration, so automatically if I click on my Windows 7, that's on my VirtualBox, it's gonna kind of integrate the mouse. So you see that. Don't worry. Just wait for the installation to complete. Just be patient, and still gonna kind of pause this video. And we are back again. As you can see, just this, when you click, it's just gonna keep popping up and all that. Just cancel that. Now setup will continue after restarting your computer. Just wait, it's gonna restart the virtual machine, and when it comes back up, we'll load up our Windows. So one thing about ethical hacking, one thing about pen testing, one thing about life itself, patience is all that matters. When you're patient, you get things done. If you try today, if it doesn't work, that doesn't mean you should stop. You gotta keep trying over and over again, and one day you're gonna be successful. So patience is very important. So as you can see, Windows 7 is still running. Just be patient and just say setup will continue after restarting your computer. So I'm still gonna pause that. And bring that back. So we're back again. As you can see, just wait. It's gonna load up. Just wait a minute. It's gonna load up. Just be patient about it. As you can see, Microsoft Corporation starting Windows. I told you it's gonna keep restarting and over again. It's just like the way you kind of installing your Windows 7. As you can see, still running. The way you normally install Windows 7 in your computer, just like a primary OS, it's the same thing it's doing right now, because you're using Windows 7 ISO file. Not on the DeX image though, it's kind of the same thing though. You should just cancel that. It's gonna keep popping up. Just cancel that. Just wait a minute for those window. Excuse me, sorry. Just wait for this to load up. See, I told you, mouse pointer integration. This means that you don't need to capture the mouse pointer to be able to use it. So I don't have to I don't have to capture the mouse for me to use it. So if I click on my Windows, I'm going to be able to use the mouse inside my VirtualBox. I hope you understand that. Still don't forget, if you have any questions, still just put it in the comment box. See, this video is really taking longer time than I expected. You gotta be patient. It's Windows 7, so kind of the best. Microsoft, I guess, kind of prefer this Windows 7. It's kind of easy to use. As you can see, setup is preparing your computer for first use, so just be patient. I kind of prefer Windows 7 compared to Windows 10 and 8. Windows 10, the problem with that is just the usual update and updates. That's one of the reasons why I just kind of prefer using Windows 7. It's kind of easy. I guess somebody might disagree with me, saying you're the one who is using Kali Linux as your primary OS, and you're just consider problem. You're the one using Kali Linux as your primary OS, and just click do not show that message again. You're the one using Kali Linux. Just read this kind of fast. Just type your username. I'm gonna type cybersec. cybersecurity, anything. You can put your name, as you can see. Say for example, John. I'm just gonna click OK. Over there, just click next. After naming your PC, okay, just sorry, this stupid name is not okay. Change it. It can't be the same thing, so I'm just gonna put my name, Joseph Hayamla. So as you can see over here, dates my name. You can follow me on Instagram and all, and send me emails just at gmail.com, josephimla@gmail.com, same thing. So just you can put password. So as you can see, they say it's recommended to put a password. So I'm just gonna put my password, and I'm gonna put a hint of the password. I'm gonna put CY over here. Anything you like that can make you remember the password. It's not like you're literally gonna forget your password or something. So just put what you want and just click next, and okay, this for the activation. I'm just kind of gonna skip this step. If you have an activation key, you can put it, but I'm just gonna skip this. But trust me, they're gonna say that you have 3 days for it to activate. So just click recommended and all. And this for time, depending on your region and your location. I'm just gonna click anything over here and just leave that and set my time to anything I want. So just gonna set it to, let me see, anything. Just set the time to your current time. I'm just gonna set it to whatsoever I want. I'm just gonna leave it at 4, and okay, that's all set. Because that's the time right now. It's 4 a.m. when I'm doing this video. Wow, that's serious. Okay, so as you can see, connecting to your network and applying settings. So just wait for it to load, and before you know, we are all set. It's kind of not easy, doing all these things. I'm up 4 a.m. I've been studying all night, just gotta keep doing this thing. Anything that concerning IT, it's kind of not easy. You gotta just keep updating yourself. You can see Windows is finalizing your settings. So trust me, the best way for you to become better in what you're doing, you gotta keep learning constantly. It's not by doing it in a day or something. You gotta keep doing it over and over again. So just wait. Windows 7 is it's finalizing. Just wait for it to load. This video is seriously long. Just bear with me. Windows 7 is still loading. Just wait for it to load. Before you know, we're all done, and that'll be the end of the video. Just bear with me. We're almost done. As you can see, virtual machine, just read at the top there. The virtual machine reports that it gets OS support, mouse integration, mouse pointer integration. You can still cancel that. It's keep popping up. I don't just know. So preparing your desktop, for the first use. So you're just gonna wait for it to load. I guess the reason why this thing is kind of slow a little is because I gave it like a 2 gig RAM or something, but my PC over is 8 gig RAM. You can give it 4 if you want. I'm very sure that will make it a little bit faster depending on the RAM of your PC. So as you can see over here, if you click your right control over here, just check it. It's gonna bring out the mouse. It's gonna free it from the Windows 7. In your VirtualBox right here, if you click around, the mouse integration won't allow you to go out of your Windows 7 environment till you click the right control. You understand? So clicking the right control will allow you to use your mouse outside of the Windows 7. But if you want to use it in your Windows 7, just double click it on the Windows 7, and the VirtualBox is still running. Just leave that. Just double click on your Windows 7. If you just double click on it, just all these is still settings that I told you can turn it to full mode. Definitely not gonna do that. You can adjust the window size. I'm definitely not gonna do that. Though I think the best way for you to make this full screen, because if you click on full screen, definitely it's still gonna be the same size. The best way for you to do after the installation, just go to resolution, the way you do on normal settings. Go to resolution and increase it. It's gonna be 800 by 500, I think. You can increase it to 1200 by 800 or something. Just increase it and you'll be all set. So just I don't know what's wrong with me this evening. I'm still checking those settings. You can still click that and see these are still the available settings. You can still exploit them and you can move these around, as you can see. I'm just gonna cancel that. As you can see, set up personalized settings for browser customization. So just wait, it's loading. Before you know, our Windows 7 will just pop up and everything will be all set for us to use. So just wait for it to load. As you can see, it's kind of loading. I seriously should have put this on 4 gig RAM. Depends. It will have been faster. Seriously. Still showing this full screen and all. No, it's kind of making me not know what to do right now. But what I'm gonna do, just gotta be patient. As you can see, right control, just the way I said earlier. I said that the host key is currently defined as right control. So your host key is kind of what you use to bring your mouse out of the VirtualBox. And when you double click, it integrates the mouse. That means you can use your mouse inside the VirtualBox. And if you want to use it outside, or else you'll not be able to go out of the VirtualBox. As you can see, my mouse is not going anywhere right now. So if I really want to go out, I'm going to click right control. That's the only way I can go out. If I'm going to go out, I'm going to have to click my right control. Just keep your eyes on see right now. After clicking right control, I can go out and click on the VM and check to see that it's still running. Click anything I want. Damn, we're all set. Our Windows 7 has loaded, and as you can see, it's 4:15 a.m. already, and it's 26 February 2019, and everything is all good for us. So I think it's kind of been a great time doing this video. So just try to navigate around, just click the libraries and see. As you can see, our Windows 7 machine is all powered up, and everything is just perfect, just the way we want it. And you can even go and just click anything and do anything you want. It's virtual machine. You can use it and kind of use it for your pen testing and all. Just navigate over all this. As you can see, we're done with the tutorials and everything is all set. So this is just a step you take for installation of your Windows 7 ISO using the ISO file. So I'm just kind of gonna pause the video, and that should be all for now. So as you can see, let me just pause the videos. So that's the end of the tutorials for now. You can just click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question regardless of what we just did, if it's of something else outside of installing Windows 7 ISO file in VirtualBox, if you have any other question, any comment, anything, just put it in the comment box, and I'll be very much happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much. Bye.